So this dude is tripping me out. He's walking around with the dead cat, saying that the cat's still alive, that it has a pulse still. But that cat is dead. Look at that shit. Just left the cat dead right there on our fucking front of the store. And he came in and told my partner that he needs a hot water to give him to warm him up. So my partner calls me. He was like, "Dude, there's a guy outside walking around with a dead cat." I was like, "Shut the fuck up." So I go out there, and this dude is trying to bring his cat back to life. He even has a name and everything for it. Fucking crazy ass people, man. And I mean, like he calls me to go look, and I'm looking, and I'm just tripping out, like. And he's like, he still has a pulse. It still has a pulse. It's still alive. So I didn't know what to do. I just came back inside, like, okay.